Today's featured car of the day is a 1974 Detomaso Pantera. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And the owner had a little sign made up there, so I'll read from that for you. You can take a look at it in the video if you want to. I'll have a picture of it in there. But his sign says 1974 Detomaso Pantera. The body of a sexy Italian exotic with the heart of an American muscle car. Ultimate mid-engine placement of the Ford 351 Cleveland V8 engine. All-steel body. Four-wheel unequal length A-arm independent suspension. And then owner's comments, original California car. Bought by the current owner from Mayberry Lincoln Mercury, North Hollywood in 1984. The best thing about this car is the people who drive and own them. It's a great community of friends. And an engine size 351, horsepower 266 factory rated, transmission ZF 5-speed. And then it had, sticker base price was $9,995. And that was back in 1974. So they cost quite a bit to make because they built them in Italy and then shipped them to America and installed the 351 Clevelands in them, and then they sold them at Lincoln Mercury dealerships in the U.S. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.